Okay, I'm here again. I've been able to fix the brushes for this one, and but I realized again that the switch is kind of too bad, so I needed to improvise. Therefore, I have this switch which is meant for automobile car light. Been able to improvise that so that it can be a cutout or a switch to run the drill or the drive. I don't have a battery specified for this particular machine. Therefore, I need to improvise with this battery. So let's try and see if it will work. Therefore, I just needed to do this. Yeah, it's working. Okay, so I needed a battery pack for purposely for this machine. That's nice. Thank you.